Are you a skincare formulator? Are you someone that loves using a whitening black soap? Okay. Are you someone that wants to change your black soap game? Are you someone that is selling just only whitening black soap? Or are you someone that loves using whitening body marks? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews, and natural remedy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome. And if you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How you doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you're doing good. Because so lovely today we're going to talk about how to step up your black soap game. Okay, how to increase, how to boost your black soap. And I'm going to show you stuff that you can do locally sourced ingredients. Okay, I'm going to show you stuff that you can add, locally sourced ingredients that you can add to your black soap to step up the game of your black soap. Okay, we're stepping up the game to step up the game of your black soap. Before we go into the video, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on IG at ellaskincare_1 and shout me up on WhatsApp if you want to buy any skincare product, hair care product, supplements, injections, you want to do trainings. Shout me up. I sell and deliver worldwide. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe to this channel, support your girl. Subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Let's go into the videos, lovelies. Let's go. So, as I said earlier, today I'll be showing you how to step up the game of your black soap. As you all know, our black soap of last year is quite different from our black soap of this year. That's because I step up the game. Okay, and most of you that are my students, you already know, because when you're stepping up things, I always tell my students that I was stepping up the game. So I step up the game of my black soap from a normal whitening black soap of last year to the black soap of this year that you can use as a body mask to whiten your skin and get instant shades lighter. Okay, you're gonna see the difference on your skin with what I'm gonna show you. As that's the black soap I'm using, because I was not a fan of black soap before. Okay, I'm a fan of body wash, but right now I'm a fan of black soap with this lovely black soap, and that's what I'm here to show you. And these items are locally sourced, so don't be scared when I say we're gonna step up the game, because the items are locally sourced. I mean that item where you go get around you, item with the around your locality. Just in case you're abroad and you cannot get this soap right there, you can shout me up. Yes, we have them. But if you're right here in Nigeria, you can actually look for these soaps and use them to step up the game of your black soap. Okay, step up the game of your black soap, just like the way we step up the game of our facial serum. Okay, our whitening facial serum, the same way we locally source our whitening facial serum. Okay, that you all have been telling me stories about. Oh you know, I love good reviews. Okay, you know, I was saying stories about. Most of you don't know that facial serum was locally sourced. Okay, it was locally sourced right here in Nigeria. And we get things from Nigeria, but most of them don't know. The facial serum, which is this facial serum, was locally sourced here in Nigeria. The serum have been making changes in people's life. Okay, their face have been getting more supple and sweet, wrinkle free, and it was locally sourced in Nigeria. I sourced it myself in Nigeria. And same way, I'm going to show you how I sourced my black soap. I'm not talking too much. I know I'm talking much, but I'm just trying to explain, because some of you feel that the things we have here in Nigeria are not good. Okay, some of you feel that our items that we have here in Nigeria they don't have quality. Most of you just look at them and feel like, I'm in Nigeria, they make them. I beg you, any better thing if you come from inside. Let me tell you, items that are here in Nigeria can do great things for you that you don't know. In fact, items in Africa can do stuff to your skin, dramatic changes to your skin that you do not know. And I've been using those dramatic things to change my skin from a level of this to this. As you know, I don't use supplements. Most of you know that. Most of you that have done one-on-one training with me, you know that I don't use whitening supplements because I have a certain condition. Whenever I use whitening glutathione supplements that are available, the ones that I've tried, I've not tried all though, but the one that I've tried, I always get that condition. So I was asked to stop it. Okay, my doctor asked me to stop it. That if I have money for injections, I will go for injections. If I have money, but now I never blew, so I cannot go for injections. So the first ingredients I'm going to show you, which you all know, which is very common, is our color ozone soap. Okay, if you want to step the game of your black soap, you want to put your black soap to another level, you have to use your color ozone soaps. Okay, and for this pattern, this recipe that I use. Okay, I'm not going to show you all the recipe. I'm just going to show you how to step your own recipe up, how to boost it. Okay, I use color ozone soap. The color ozone soap that I use, I don't go all about packing all the colors of color ozone soap inside my black soap. No, I don't do that. I'm just going to be very honest with you. I'm going to be plain 100% honest with you. I don't use all the colors, okay, because I feel that they all do almost the same thing. They work the same way. So what I do is that I use the yellow color ozone soap and quite a few of the pink color ozone soap. But if I could not get the color ozone soap, the pink one, I use the yellow color ozone soap, which is very nice, which is very good. Okay, I'm also going to show you how to avoid some side effects. Yes, because when you use this, there are some little side effects, not really side effects, but to experience some certain things on your skin. I'm going to explain how to jump through that. Okay, so just have to be patient with me because this video is going to be a little bit long because I will talk. Now you're going to get the yellow color ozone soap, and you're going to get this this soap. I don't know if it's made in Ghana. People said it's made in Ghana, but I want to believe it's made in Nigeria. I don't know, but I want to put a picture of this soap here for you. You want to get this soap. You want to get this soap, okay? You want to get this soap. Lots of you do not use this soap, but some of you already use this soap. This soap is very nice, okay? My mom was the one that actually told me to introduce this soap and one other soap I'm going to talk about into my black soap recipe, okay? Growing up, my mom is someone that loves skin whitening. Yes, my mom is someone that loves skin whitening a lot. She loves skin whitening. She loves skin whitening, skin toning. My mom loves it a lot. And late last year, my mom was just like, why don't you try this? I remember I was using it then, and alone it was nice on my skin. I said alone, this soap alone is nice. I mean, it makes you lighter alone. How about adding it to your black soap and just change the level of your black soap? I was like, okay, mom, I'm going to try it. She told me 2 different soaps, and I'm going to show you those 2 different soaps right here to try, okay, to use them on your black soap. Oh god, you see why I'm smiling? If you use them on your black soap, you will come back to tell me thank you. Some of you, if you love me very much, you can just give me tips, give me money for me to show you this very lovely thing that you're about to try, okay? This soap lightens you on its own. Color ozone soap lightens you on its own, but this soap right here lightens you on its own. It's a game changer, okay? It removes every irritation on your skin, makes your skin clear. It's a locally sourced soap. It's not a soap that is made abroad or soap that is made in a very high way, okay? The soap is cheap. It's a locally sourced soap and it's very cheap, okay? For me, it's very cheap. So you want to get this soap. The next soap that you want to add, okay, the next game changer that you want to put into your black soap is the Yoruba soap, okay? The Yoruba black soap is something that you want to add to it. So now there are 2 different types of black soap. There's one that is made with oil. There's one that is made with coconut oil. I use the one that is made with red oil, okay? Red oil has lots of benefits for our skin, okay? Red oil is very good. Red oil is rich, but the one I go for when I want to make this recipe is the one that is made with coconut oil. Okay, it's the one that is made with coconut oil, and there's a difference. I mean, there's a difference with this soap. The one that is made with coconut oil is also the one that I feel is used to make cottage black soap. Yes, I know some of you be like, cottage black soap is made in Ghana. Cottage black soap, yes. But when you just add water to this black soap I'm talking about, it's giving you that cottage black soap vibe. You understand? When you put water inside this black soap, I'm talking about this Yoruba black soap that is made. I'm sure it's from Yoruba, but I know it's made in Nigeria. But I'm just calling it Yoruba because yes, you can get it for those Yoruba sellers. Okay, it's a black soap that is made with coconut oil. A black soap that is made with coconut oil. If you add water to this, it's giving you that cottage black soap vibe. This soap is very good. Okay, it's a game changer on its own. It's a game changer on its own. After you get in the soap, you want to get the white soap, okay? That white soap, you can call it white Ghana soap, you can call it locally Nigeria white soap. It's a white soap, okay? When you keep this white soap for a very long time, it's changed to a transparent brown soap. I don't know if you guys know the soap. I don't know if you guys know it. I'm not sure I still have it. I'm gonna try to look for the picture and put it here. When you keep this black soap for a very long time, let's say for like 1 month, it will change to a transparent brown soap, kind of like a little bit transparent, but it's almost looking a little bit transparent, but to change to brown color. But it's a white soap, you keep it for a long time, it will change to brown color. Those of you that are into skincare formulating, okay, those of you that are formulating skincare products would know what I'm talking about. You will know this, okay? You get this soap. I think most people that sell the bag sell it cheap. Most people that sell the wrap for like 1,200 or sometimes for 1,500. Those people that sell the wraps of this soap. The soap is very nice. People look at it with common eyes. People look at it and say, there's nothing there. I prefer Ghana black soap. Ghana black soap is good. Ghana white soap is good. But if you use this white soap, let me not talk too much about it, because most of them say, she's from Nigeria, that's why she's talking about it like that. No, it's not about being from Nigeria. I don't know where it's made, but I'm sure it's locally made in Nigeria. If you use this soap, you will love it. Now, you combine these soaps that I'm talking about. You combine your color ozone soap. You combine your other pink and green color soap. You combine your black Nigerian Yoruba soap, or I don't know where they make it, but I know I buy it. Okay, you combine it, it's with coconut oil, combine it, and you add this white soap. You combine these soaps together and you use your pepper dem soap. You add the pepper dem soap to it. You want to pepper dem soap, I'm going to put the pic here on the screen. Please make sure you get the original pepper dem soap, because the friend of mine told me that she bought pepper dem soap and the one she bought was not really active at all. So make sure you get the right one, okay? Get the one that is active, please. Try to get pepper dem soap that is active, the one that have that rainbow color. Get it. Get them in bulk, okay? Depends on how large you're making your black soap. Get these soaps together and soak them. Now, this is where the drama comes in. This is where the changes come in. You are soaking this soap. You're not pounding this soap, okay? Because normally I love pounding my black soap, but for this, you're not going to pound the soap. You don't pound it. You soak them. This is how you soak them with distilled water. I use distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, okay, you can just boil water to just like to 100 degrees Celsius. Just boil your water and let it cool, and then you add it to this soap. Okay, use it to soak this soap. You slice this soap into smaller bits and you soak this soap. And most of you saying you didn't add reaction balls, you don't add these balls. My dear, for this you don't need to add all these balls. If you want to add it, it's a plus, but you don't need to add all these balls, these reaction balls, vertical balls, all these balls. You don't really need them. I don't really need them, because from what I've seen, these soaps are worse than used to make those small balls soap that you guys buy. Okay, yes, okay. When I go to the markets where I get wholesale products from, I talk to these people one-on-one. When I go to the villages where they get this from, I talk to them one-on-one. I discuss with them, okay. Sometimes they use this soap to make those reaction balls, you see, and they make it special, okay? They just make it special for you, and you feel that, yes, it's a must to add this, it's a must to add this. When you have this soap that I've talked about, when you have these soaps that I've just mentioned, you don't need reaction balls, you don't need your reaction, you don't need your whitening balls, because these soaps, they do the magic for you, okay? They do the magic for you. I know you guys might think I'm talking too much, but don't be angry if I'm talking too much. But these soaps just do the work for you. They do the major work for you. Now, if you're getting these soaps, you're soaking your soap. Now let me tell you how you soak it. You see your pepper dem soap, okay? You get pepper dem soap. You get this soap right here. You soak these two soap for 3 days. They are very stubborn, okay? They are very, very stubborn. These two soaps are very stubborn. So you slice them and soak them for 3 days. Because you soak it alongside with the other soaps. The things might get a little bit soaked than the others. So you soak these two soap for good 3 days. I'm going to put a picture on the screen for you to see. You soak these two soap for good 3 days. Just slice them to smaller bits. Soak them for 3 days with your distilled water, or like with your boiled water, like I said earlier. Soak them for 3 days, and after 3 days, you add the rest soap to it. You add your color ozone and the rest soap to it, and let this soap soak for 7 days. My dear, 7 days this soap will incorporate. 7 days this soap will incorporate, and after 7 days, just do a sample. Just use your hand to like take a little bit of the soap, okay? Mix it very well and use it to mask your hand, mask your skin. Wait for 5 minutes. also 5-10 minutes or more, you will be feeling a little bit of tingling sensation on your skin. Don't worry, that's because you're trying it for the first time. Okay, because the first time I tried this, I was having a tingling sensation on my skin. My skin was kind of itchy, a little bit, but don't worry, just let it be on your skin. You can leave it for 15 minutes, leave it for 15 minutes, nothing is going to happen to your skin. Okay, then go to the bathroom, wash it off with warm water. If you can use hot water, if you can use warm water, wash it off and tell me how your skin looks like. Lovelies, tell me how your skin looks like. Now, you've not added the other ingredients to this. Okay, you don't know one black soap ingredients, you're adding whitening serums, you're adding the rest ingredients. Just tell me how your skin feels like when you use just this to mask your skin. Lovelies, this is no magic, this this is not stories. Okay, you're gonna see, not feel, you will see with your eyes. You see the difference on your skin. This is a game changer. Okay, it's a game changer for you. Add it to your black soap. Take this as my mid-year gift from me to you. The mid-year gift from Ella Skincare to you is my mid-year gift. Try it out. Tell me how it feels like on your skin. Okay, try it out. Come to the comment section, tell me how you feel like on your skin. You can also buy me drink for this, because this is a game changer. Okay, you can buy me drink for this. Soak it and try it out. Then after soaking, you can now add your normal black soap ingredients. If you want to add the rest, you can add the whitening oil, the glowing oils, the way you do it. Okay, because that's how I do mine. Okay, I add whitening oils to my black soap, glowing oils. That's why our black soap are expensive. Okay, that's why it's not cheap, but it's affordable. But that's why it's not cheap. Okay, you can add the rest ingredients to it and tell me how your black soap will look like. See, your customers will use your black soap and tell you thank you. Your customers will use your black soap and give you reviews that your black soap is the best. Just tell your customer to use it as a mask on their skin when they're taking a bath. Use it as a mask on their skin. It will also exfoliate their skin. Okay, it exfoliates your skin. Tell them to use it as a mask on their skin and you will see the difference. Now, let's talk about the effects that you might get from this. Okay, the effects. As you're using this black soap, you might experience green vein. Yes, you might experience green vein. That's why, as a skincare formulator or someone that is selling products in kits like the way I sell my own personal skincare products in kits, my products are always anti-green veins. Okay, anti-green veins. We all know that we have natural green veins on our skin. We have natural green veins on our skin buds. When you add this anti-green veins, anti-stretch mark and the rest, okay, this soap does not cause stretch mark, but when you add it will make the green veins less visible. Okay, your green veins will not be visible. So when you are using this soap, make sure your product has quality, because some of you skincare formulators, I see you guys in the market, you just buy products in the market and you repackage. You just buy products in the market and just mix anyhow and give it to people to use on our skin. That's not right. That's not good. Okay, when you are giving your customers this soap, give them a good quality lotion. I know making a good quality lotion is quite pricey. Okay, you spend more. If you spend more, tell your customers this cream I'm giving you is more expensive. Tell them the benefit of the product that you're giving them. If they want to buy, they buy it. But if they don't buy it, you leave it. Okay, if they don't buy it, you leave it. That you tell them, but they did not buy it. So give them good quality creams that will make those veins invisible, that will hide those green veins on their skin. Okay, that's what I do for my own personal skincare product. Okay, some people are like, Hela, how did you do it? That's how I do it. Okay, I give my customers quality skincare products, that will work on their skin like magic. They're pricey, but they work good on their skin. That's what you should do. Give them products that will make the green veins invisible, that will not make the green veins visible on our skin. Like if you see my chest, okay, I don't have green veins, but if you are using those kind of products that does not have quality, you see green veins all over. Let me come closer. You see green veins all over your skin, and that's not good. Okay, you want to give them quality products to avoid those green veins. That's just the side effect you get from this. Apart from that, there is no side effect whatsoever. So lovelies, try this out. You will love it. You will like it. You'll come back to tell me thank you. You'll come back to appreciate me. Okay, that's the truth. You come back to tell me thank you. So lovelies, that's it for the video. Till I see you in my next video, remain blessed, stay good, don't look for trouble, not find trouble. Stay blessed and have a lovely day ahead. Bye bye.